Hi and welcome to my channel, Dana Loops. I have found more than 30 different crochet clothing items that you actually want to wear this summer. So first off, we have this mock neck top. And if you look closely, you can add a little sleeve or choose not to and just leave it as a top, but both ways work. I would say I would make it in brown if it's for summertime because it's giving fall, but I would love to make this for fall in brown and then choose another color for like the summer. If you're into Crochet Bodycon strips, I also found this one, which is really cute. But if I had to make it myself, I would add a couple of more rounds just to make sure that the slit in the dress starts a little bit further down so it isn't that high up the thigh. But you know, whatever your preference is. And I don't know if you can hear that. It's probably some construction work or something. I don't know what the hell that is. And here we have a crochet sleeve pattern. I do have found several different crochet sleeve patterns, but it's so many different ways to make them, like the stitches or your color choices, because I feel like it's almost like an accessory at this point. You can add on your top or blouse, and it just gives that extra little oomph. Next, we have this granny square crochet skirt, which I am so in love with, mostly because of the color choices that she chose. I feel like it's giving pastels, it's giving summer. I'm definitely putting this on my to-do list of stuff I'm gonna crochet this summer. If you're looking for a colorful bucket hat to make, I found this spiral bucket hat, and you could just, you know, use the same colors as her or switch them up to something else to match an outfit you have in mind. But if you're looking for more colors added to some of your accessories, a spiral bucket hat would be great. A simple but cute skirt would be this one, where there's a little split on the side. Another beginner-friendly skirt you could make would be this striped crochet skirt. If you're not into the color choices, remember, you could always change them. If you're new to crocheting clothes, I would recommend that you try to make a skirt like this, as it is a very beginner-friendly and simple design, and you can practice color changes as well. If you're looking for a cute t-shirt to make this summer, try to make this heart cutout t-shirt with 2 color contrasts of pink. You could do it with like 2 blues or 2 different colors, but I feel like this could be a very cute t-shirt to make. Here's another skirt you can make. It's called like A-line crochet skirt. I'm not sure if it's a part of the pattern, but she did add some pearls, as you can see on the picture, which I hope that she did add it to the pattern because I think that would be very cute. If she didn't, do it yourself. And here's a crochet off the shoulder cardigan. This is like the type of crochet patterns that I love because it actually looks like something you could buy at a store. It doesn't give that, I don't know if it's a hot take, but with crochet clothes, some of them look a little bit too handmade, if you know what I mean. And this looks like, I feel like I could walk into like H&M or something and find this cardigan. Here is a crochet polo dress / shirt, because it's actually 2 patterns in one in a way, because it's the way she makes the tutorials that you can just stop adding on rounds when you reach like your hips, so it just becomes a t-shirt. And if you want it to become a dress, you can just continue with adding the rounds. I would love to make this in like a beige color, like giving that beachy summer, little bohemian vibe. Then I have this 2-piece outfit. It's actually 2 separate videos, but it's made by the same creator. She just made the pattern separately for the skirt and for the top. I wouldn't say this is the most beginner-friendly pattern. You have to be maybe a little bit experienced, so maybe you should have tried a few things before you jump into a project like that. I would love to make a checkered dress and not a 2-piece for myself, but let's see when I have time to fit that in. Then we have this crochet top with embroidery cherries. Embroidery. I don't feel like I'm pronouncing that right. Embroidery. You know that feeling where no matter how many times you say a word, it just doesn't embroidery. I don't even remember how I'm supposed to say it anymore. Embroidery. Tell me in the comments if I did pronounce that right. Anyways, it's definitely a cute summer crochet project to have. I would wear this with like a white simple shirt and then this on top. I feel like that would be so cute. If you're looking for a shirt to crochet yourself with like an oversized look, you could make it this one. It doesn't have any buttons, so I don't know if I should call it more of like a blazer or a cardigan. And then here is a summer t-shirt you could wear with these cute stitches. I'm not sure. I don't remember what the stitches are called actually, but I really love this t-shirt, great for the summer, like when you're done with the beach on top of your bikini or something. And then there's this like lace leafy crochet sweater. I don't know if I would call it a sweater because I feel like it's more of like a blouse or something. This gives me like flashback to that 2013 or 14 like bohemian clothing era. If you know, you know. Here's another crochet sweater. This is the same creator that made that granny square skirt that I showed before with the different like pastels. Then we have this crochet crop t-shirt you could wear with a little daisy detail on it. It also have these strings that are tied around the stomach, if you can see that on the picture. So if you're looking for a crop top to wear, that was it. And if you're looking for something to cover yourself up with on those little more chilly summer days or nights, you could make this cute little fluffy cardigan. I would love to make this in like a baby blue. It's made with this kind of fluffy yarn that gives it that extra cozy detail to it. Here we have another crochet shirt, but this one does have buttons on it. Another cute crochet cardigan is this one filled with those daisy flowers. I feel like this cardigan is just the embodiment of summer vibes, so that's why I brought it in. If you're looking for some cute shorts to wear, then there's these stripes you could make. And if you're anything like me, these crochet shorts might be a teeny tiny, a little bit too short for me. So I would add a couple of more rounds. I feel like you could make a whole beach outfit out of those striped shorts. You could add on a oversized shirt or an oversized crochet shirt and make it a whole crochet outfit. Another crochet bucket hat you could make is this one. The creator does call it a sun hat, I believe. It's giving granny square without actually being a granny square. Another bucket hat, but this one is checkered. So this crochet dress is called a granny square crochet dress / the Taylor Swift crochet dress. Then we have this diamond lace crochet bandana you could make. Another cute cardigan but fairly simple is this mesh cardigan. I would actually style it just like her with like some denim jeans and a white t-shirt. I feel like one of the hardest things to find free patterns on YouTube anyways was dresses, and not that I couldn't find any dresses, but dresses that you know you would actually wear if you know what I mean. But anyways, I did find this granny square dress. I like it because it does remind me of that crochet granny square skirt I showed you before. Just want to remind you all, you can always adjust patterns. So if you're looking at this and thinking it's too short for you, just add another round of granny squares on it. So the creator calls this old money cardigan. And I also think she did style it perfectly. Another cute hair accessory could be this granny square bandana. I love that she chose pink and green for it actually. Thank you for watching, and please comment below which patterns you would like me to find next.